Ensure prompt payments for your vendors by enabling the vendor plugin. Navigate to Settings within the dashboard and click on Invoice Formats under the Billing and Invoicing tab. Select the invoice format you want to enable the vendor's plugin for and click on the Actions button next to the chosen invoice format. Choose the Edit option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Plugins section of the invoice format and click on the Choose Plugins button to enable the plugin. Against the vendor plugin, click the toggle to switch it on and close the plugins window. The plugins section of your invoice format will now show the vendor plugin as enabled. Click Save in the final summary section to save your invoice format with the vendor plugin enabled. To create and send an invoice with the vendor plugin, navigate to Collect Payments and click on Create Invoice. Select the invoice format you want to create an invoice with and add the details of the invoice. Scroll to the Plugins section of the invoice where the vendor plugin will be enabled. Choose the vendor you want to add to the invoice from the drop-down list in Select Vendor. Save the changes and send the invoice. Once your customer pays the invoice amount, the funds will be automatically split between your organization and the vendor you have chosen. Register with Swipez to easily split the invoice payments with your vendor.